Larry Vickers here, Vickers Tactical. I'm going to take you through the red dot ready aspects of the Walther PDP. Now, like other pistols in the market, they've got a mounting platform back here. If you want to keep the original factory looks, it has a plate that fills in the mounting area. But Walther kind of took things to a different approach here. Number one, I like how the fact is when you take this off and you put your mounting plate, they've buried it deeper in the slide than a lot of other competing guns. For instance, I got my Aimpoint Acro here. I can actually still see the factory setup sights in my bottom field of view. Most other red dot pistols that come from the factory with the ability to mount a red dot, they're so high on the slide you have to use suppressor height sights. Walther, to their credit, buried the optic down, so generally, depending on the sight you're using, you may not have to use suppressor height sights. Also, they've taken a different approach on the mounting plate. Theory is you buy the gun as is. When you figure out the red dot that you're going to use on it, or whether you're going to use a red dot at all, you contact Walther at their website and they will ship to you free of charge the plate that interfaces with your particular red dot. Now, if you want to buy extra plates later because you're in the mode of changing your red dot sights and trying different ones, they will sell extra plates to you, but the first one with the gun comes free of charge from Walther. That way they're not supplying you with a pack of red dot sighting mounts, many of which you probably have no use for. Red dot ready from the start, Walther PDP.